How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of an install on a Mustang. It's not really a modification, I would call it, but more of an add-on, something I've wanted to do for a little bit now, and something I've wanted to do on basically all my cars but never really had a real opportunity to. But before we start, I want to clear up a couple things. I said that I was going to make around 3 longer style videos in the week. I wasn't able to because I was planning to film a review this week, and it snowed here for 2 days, so I wasn't able to film the review. Hopefully next week we'll make up for that, and I'm going to try to do a lot more reviews on the channel like I said before, but hopefully that just clears up a couple things. But basically in this video we're going to be installing a dash cam, but before we install it, let's pull the Mustang out. So this is the dash cam we're going to be installing in the car. This is the new A139 dash cam. So this is the new dash cam. It records in 1440p for the front camera. The interior and the rear camera both record in 1080p. It's Wi-Fi supported, GPS logs, and all of that. And we also have the external microphone that goes for the interior camera as well. This is definitely something everyone who has a car should invest in. I've always wanted to install these in one of my cars for sure, definitely my daily driver, because you never know when you park a car what could happen to it. Even if you don't really have a very special car, a car is still worth a very big amount of money and is a very big investment, so you can just do this, protect your investments with just a simple little camera like this in case anything happens to it. Make sure you guys do pick yourself up one if you're looking for the market. The link is in the description, and we're just going to install this for the video, and I'll show you how easy it is and how simple it is to put these on. So we got the Mustang outside, but it does not look like we're having the best weather. It might rain on a little bit here, so let's get this installed before it rains. If it does rain, we'll pull the car inside. So let's unbox this. This just slides off, and we have the front camera right here. So we are supported with a lot of stuff in this package. We have the camera, both the interior and the rear camera here, and this is the front camera. Obviously we have all the cables, everything like that. We only have a trim removal piece, so remove the trim so you can hide the wire. Today I'm not going to be removing the trim. I'm just going to be setting up the camera so you guys can see what it's going to look like. We have a card adapter for the chip that goes in. We have another cable right here, and then we have another polarizing lens. I dropped that, but I caught it. So we have another polarizing lens right here, probably with the front camera, I'd assume, because it's going to be having a lot of sun on it. So we have this front camera. I'm just going to pull it out, and what basically, we turn this around, we just have a little sticky tab right here that we're going to peel off and basically just kind of stick to the car. And we're basically just gonna stick it to the car and end up facing the camera the other way, obviously. So we just make the camera face the other way, take the sticky part off and put it up onto the windshield, so just like so. Kind of an easy installation process. So we also have the external mic which plugs into this one on the top, and then obviously we can have the internal one somewhere over there, and then the rear one obviously in the rear. But what I'm gonna do is power this up real quick and show you how it works. So temporarily this thing is beeping at me right now because I'm just gonna unplug it real quick. So we have it kind of set up right now. The camera is basically just gonna vibe here. You can have it really wherever you want. That's kind of in the middle of my view now that I'm realizing. I might stick it up here so it's behind the... The reason I'm not taking the trim off today is because I don't want to mess with the Mustang really right now, but I really wanted to see how the camera setup was going to go. So I have the camera right here. It's basically out of sight because it's right behind here. From my angle, my viewing angle, I can't really see it at all. I see the cord sticking out, and obviously if we plug it in, it's going to start beeping at me. But we have the Polaroid lens on it right now. We have the external microphone right here. We have the external microphone right here, which will just plug into here, and then I'll be like vibing somewhere over here most likely. The Mustang is kind of a weird car to put a dash cam on. Previous car I owned, the previous owner had a dash cam on it because it still had the external microphone, and it was really easy to hide, but in the Mustang it's just very open right here, so we kind of just have an awkward little place. I'm gonna see a better way to hide the wires and stuff like that. Again, if you guys want to pick yourselves up one, click the first link in the description. As long as you get all the cords and all, you're getting all the necessary cords and stuff like that. You're getting all the cords and all the necessary stuff like that. You're getting nice packaging, and honestly, if you're looking for a dash cam at an affordable price, you should think about getting yourself one. It comes with one of these, which just sticks to the windshield. I didn't use it, but it does come with it in case you want to. You stick it to the windshield, and then you can stick the camera to this. I believe that's what it's for, not 100%. There's a bunch of stuff, a bunch of stickers and all of that to hook all of the cameras up, and you don't have to really get anything. You might have to get, only thing, a memory card, which I don't believe we have. So there's a lot that goes into it. I pulled the car inside, but this is basically the dash cam, and that's what I wanted to make this video on real quick. Because if you are in the market for a dash cam, make sure to go check out my description and click the link. You can get a really affordable dash cam for the price. And I just wanted to install it on the Mustang. I'm going to finish installing it after this video is over, and I just wanted to make the video also to clear up a couple things. I don't really have much time in the day anymore, and obviously Wisconsin's weather isn't really helping me. But there should be some great videos that come out in the future. I just wanted to make the video on the dash cam, obviously, updating you guys, kind of checking back in after the week, because I said I would make a video and then I never did. I'm going to finish installing the dash cam, like I said. I'm going to fully redo it. I'm going to see where the good points for the Mustang are. I might end up even swapping the dash cam over to the truck or something else. That's all I have for the video. If you guys have any questions about my future upload schedule, any of that, make sure to let me know. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers, which is insane. If we hit 40K soon, that would be absolutely insane. 40K, then 50K. We're halfway to 100. My goal is 100 before like July, which is a little bit of an ambitious goal, and I know I need to post more in order to do that, which is why I'm trying to get back on the game, trying to get back on the grind to making videos and stuff like that. So 100K by July is my goal. 40K almost there. Thank you to everyone who subscribed and watches the videos. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go see what's up with this dash cam, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.